Stop feeling unworthy as though you don't measure up. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us. Stop that feeling unworthy as though you don't measure up. It's not doing anything productive to beat yourself up. Being critical toward yourself is not going to help you do better. You're receiving the wrong things, guilt, condemnation, discouragement. You have enough people in life that against you, so don't be against yourself. Do yourself a favor and start being for yourself. Therefore, many times I say that you must love yourself to the fullest.